Invesdor app. The pros, the cons. Invesdor is a crowdfunding platform that allows investors to fund startups and growth companies across Europe. But is it right for your portfolio? Starting with the pros. First, access to early-stage investments. Individual investors can participate in startup funding rounds typically reserved for venture capitalists. Second, diversification. By investing small amounts across multiple startups, you can spread risk and increase the chances of hitting a high-growth opportunity. Third, transparency. The app provides detailed company information, financials, and progress updates for informed decision-making. Now, the cons. One limitation is risk. Startups are high risk, and many fail, meaning potential total loss of investment. Another drawback is liquidity. Shares in early-stage companies are generally illiquid, locking in your capital for extended periods. The surprising truth: while Invesdor offers high reward potential, it's best suited for investors who understand startup risk and can afford to take losses. In conclusion, the pros: access to startups, diversification, and transparency make Invesdor appealing to venture-focused investors. The cons: high risk and illiquidity mean it's not suitable for conservative portfolios.